Hey, so if you want to take smarter notes and improve your productivity, yeah, Notion AI can completely change how you work. It helps you organize ideas, summarize information, and manage tasks more efficiently. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, open Notion and create a dedicated page for your notes. This will be your main workspace. Start writing your notes normally and then use Notion AI to expand or structure them. Yeah, so everything becomes clearer and more organized. You can also use AI to summarize long notes into short and simple points, which makes reviewing much easier. Another powerful feature is turning notes into task lists so you can quickly see what actions you need to take. Make sure to organize your notes using headings and sections. Yeah, this keeps everything neat and easy to navigate. You can also use Notion AI to brainstorm ideas or expand on topics directly from your notes. Don't forget to review your notes and improve them uh, by asking AI to rewrite or simplify the content. And finally, try to make this part of your daily workflow because consistency will help you stay organized and productive. So, yeah, that's how to use Notion AI for note taking and productivity. Once you get used to it, it can save you a lot of time and effort every day. Hey,